Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make calls in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to log into your account. All right, and then after that, you just have to go to the call section. Okay, and then right here you can type a name, okay, or you can view your contacts. Okay, so right here at the top, you have your view contacts options. You'd be able to see here all of your contacts. And then if you would like to add people to speed up your dial for quick access, then you just have to click on this one. And then you can type their name right here or their number. Okay, so for example, I'm going to call my other account using my email. Okay, so let me just type it right here, my other email. Okay, so this one. After that, you just have to click on this call option. And after that, you'd be able to contact that specific person. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.